Today I want to explain how to find the square root of a number by division method. Square root by division method. In some books we can see the word long division method. Division method or long division both are same. We can simply say division method. First method was prime factorization method. Now it is division method. In order to find the square root by division method, the first thing to remember is how to do grouping. Something needed for a division method is grouping. Grouping a number. Suppose a question is given. I have to find the square root of this number. Yeah, another number 372. Few numbers are written. Okay. Question is to find the square root of all these numbers. So, first thing to do is we have to do the grouping. Grouping means a group of 2 starting from units place. Units place. Unit that is 1's place, 10's place, 21 one first group, 57 another group, and now only one digit is there, so that also will be considered as another group. 372, 2 and 7, 72 one group, 3 alone another group. So grouping means group of 2 members, 71, 13, 05, 48. See here 48 is a group. Here the problem is only one digit is left, so that is taken as one group. Yeah, 03. We can put a 0 and 03. 03 and 3 both are same, we know. No meaning of a 0 here in the left side. If I put a 0 here, then value is 20, it is becoming. Yeah, here 03, no meaning. So 3 alone is a member. 12 means only one group. 75, 96. 121. 21 is a group. 1 alone, another group. So this is a procedure. That means from 1's place we are starting. 1's and 10's together 75 one group, next to another group. Suppose it is a decimal number 3.527. Yeah, 3871.21. 0.385261. If it is a decimal pointer, then again the same thing. From point we will start. That means 1's place. 2 left side, 3 is one group. Now towards right 52 is a group. Now I will not say 7 as a group. So I will write the number once again. 3.527. Originally question is this one. So I am putting 0 here. No change in the value. 0.5, yeah, 0.50, yeah, 0.5000, all are same. This is 0.5, it is also 0.5. I cannot read it as 50, it is 0.50. This is not 500, yeah, 5000, it is not 5000, it is 0.5000. So all are same. So here I will put the grouping in like this: 52 one group, 70 one group, 3 one group. It is 70 here now group. Same thing can be done here. If you want, we can write a 03, but 03 doesn't make any sense. But 7 and 70, there is a difference. So we are considering first group as 52 here, after point 52 one group, 70 another group. I hope it is clear. Now here, this number, after point 21 is a group, 71 group, 38 group. Here there is no group. Yeah, we can say 0, 1 group, 38 first group, 52 group, 61 group. 73,579.371. Okay. So this number, instead of putting bar here because I have to add 0, I will write again 73579.371. Since it is only 2 here, one group properly, I will add here 37, 10, 79, 35 and 7 alone one group. 0, 7, no need, 7 is enough. But here it is needed a 10. I have to make it a 10. 1 or 1 0 both are same, but we will, while doing the division, we will take it as a 10. Okay, so this is a procedure for grouping. After grouping, now we will go to square root. How to find the square root? I will explain the procedure. Find the square root of the following numbers following by division method. Before this, let me explain another one, simple one. From simple to big we will go. Okay, 121 already I discussed there. Suppose the question is the square root of 121. All are knowing the answer 121. What is the square root of 121? 11 11s are 121. We know it. 11 11s are 121. So square root of 121 is 11. Okay, now what is the procedure? 121 means first grouping 121. 21 is a group, 1 is a group. I will consider the first group. First group is 11. First group is 1. In 1, which perpetual square will go? 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, like that. So which will go? 1 1s are 1, maximum 1 only. 1 1s are 1. I will write in this way. 1 is going, so here also 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Perpetual square is 1. Subtraction 1 minus 1 0. Bring the next group. We will bring as a group only. 21 is coming down. Now every stage we will write a double. Double of 1 is 2 and put a dash. Every time one round, one work is over, we can say. First group is taken, 1 is taken. 1 1s are 1. Balance is 0. Next group is coming down. So we are starting with the next work now. First group is over. Next group. Next group, in order to start, we have to write a double. Double of 1 is 2. Put a dash. I have to fill something here. I can write here 0. I can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything I can write. But I have to check which is matching. If I write here 0, 20 into 0, 0. If I write 1, if I am writing 21 into 1, 21 into 1, 21. That means 1 is matching here. 1 is okay. 121. Yes. If I am writing 1 here, this also will be 1. 1 into 21 is 21. Yes, over. So square root of 121 is 11. After 2-3 questions, it will be very clear. Suppose again a simple number 625. Find the square root of 625. 625. First I will write the number, grouping, 25 one group, 6 another group. Okay. First group is a 6. Which perpetual square will go? 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 is not going because number is 6. 2 2s are 4. So 2 will go. 2 2s are 4. This is a procedure. If 2 is going, we will write it to as answer. 2 2s are 4. Balance is also 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Now I have to continue. I have to bring the next group. So before this, I have to take the double. Double of 2 is 4. Double into 2 we are taking. Double of 2 is 4 and put a dash. Bring the group 25. Now to 25 I have to fill something here. If I am writing 1 there, so 41 into 1. 41. If I am writing 2, 42 into 2, 84. But I know it is 225. So not 1 or 2. It will go. Big number will go. 5 5s are 25. That is a technique. Last digit is 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 may be okay. 45 into 5. 225. Last digit 5. So 5 5s are 25. That is a technique. So I will write it as 5. So 5 into 45. 225. 225. So square root of 625 is 25. Another question. Square root of 5625. Little more big number. So how many group? 5 6 2 5 25 56 2 groups. You might have noticed one more thing. 2 group here. So digit answer also is having 2 digits. 121 2 group. So answer you can see 2 digit number. Okay, so 2 digit means, suppose it is a small number, square root of 36. What is the square root of 36? Only one group. 36 means only one group. One group means answer is 6. 6 are 36. One digit only. In the square root of 1 digit. 2 digit number, square root means 2 digit answer. Again 2 group only. 2 group means answer also will have 2 digits. Okay. Now what is the first procedure? First group we have to take which square root, which perfect square will go. 1 ones are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 4 4s are 5 5s are, like that we have to check. 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. 64 not going, 7 7s are 49 going, 7 7s are 49. Subtraction 7 25. Bringing the next group and at the same time writing the double and putting a dash. Whenever we write a double, put a dash at that at the same moment. I have to find out something here to fill here. If I am writing 8, 148 into 8, 8 is written means it is becoming 148. Then I have to multiply with 8 only. If I am writing 6, 146 into 6. If I am writing 5 here, 145 into 5. 5 5s are 25. See, last digit is 5. 5 5s are 25. So chance is there. I will try with the 145. 725 only. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 20, 22. 1 plus 5. 1 into 5. 5 plus 2. 725. So answer is 75. Hope you are understanding. Now we will go to little more big number. Okay, let us take that number which I wrote earlier. 54756. 54756 means grouping 56 47 5. First group is 5. First group of 5. Which number will go? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Balance is 1. Balance 1. Bring the next group and at the same time take a double. Take a double. Double of 2 is 4 and put a dash. This all things should go at a time. First stage is over. Subtraction. That much is first stage. Now bringing the next group and writing double and put a dash. I have to search. In order to start the second part, I have to search a number. Which number? If I write 41, 1 here, 41 into 1, very small number. 2 means 42 into 2. 3 means 43 into 3. 3 may be okay. Maybe 4 also we have to check. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 129. Surely 3 is going. That doesn't mean that I can write 3. 3 is going. That doesn't mean that I can write 3. Why? Because I have to check whether 4 will go or not. 4 4s are 16 not going. We have to make sure. If I am writing 4, 44 into 4. 176 is not going. Why? Because 4 4s are 16. 16. Here 14 only. That you will understand after you will get to practice. Okay. After doing. So we can write 3. 43 into 3 is 129. Now subtraction. 18 balance. Bringing the next group and at the same time writing double of 23. Not double of 3. Remember, now answer is 23. Double of 23, 46 and put a dash. Every stage put a dash. Earlier it was 2, so double of 2, 4 and a dash. Now it is 23, double of 23, 46 and a dash. Now I have to fill something. Either 1 means 461 into 1. That is too small here. This number is big. 2, 462 into 2. Chances for 4 4s are 16. Yeah, 6 are 36. Last digit is 6, so we will try with the 4. 4 6 4. 1856. Because 4 4s are 16, I said no. Last digit is 6, so 4 4s are 16. I thought of trying with that 4. So 4 is okay here. So I will write 1856. Nothing balance. So square root is 234. 234 answer. Let me explain few more questions. big number, little more big number. So I will write grouping 84, 72, 93, 4. How many digits are there? How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 group. So our answer will have 4 digits. So it is a big question, we can say. Number itself is big. So 4 digits will be there in the answer. Procedure is exactly the same. If you study mathematics, advantage is this one. If you study something, it is applicable for everywhere. For small number also, big number also, very very big number also, process is applicable. First group is 4. Which number? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, nothing balance. Bringing the next group on 93, double of 2 is 4 and put a dash. Which number? 1 means 41 into 1. 2 means 42 into 2. 80, 86. 2 will go. 2 into 42, 84. Balance 9. Bringing the next group 72. Double of 22, 44. With the 44, what will go? 4, 4, 2 into 2. 4, 40, 2 into 2. 8, 8, 4. Easily going. Remember, we have to make sure that 3 is not going. It will not go because 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 is not there. Only 9 is there. Still, I will write and show you. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 13. 1329 not going. Okay. So it is our duty because all these table we don't know. It is a big number. So okay, surely we have to apply the technique also. As I said, 3 4s are 12. So more than 1200. So, but make sure that 3 is not going, only 2 is going. Okay, so 2 means 8 8 4. Subtraction 88. Next group is coming as 84. Okay, now which number? What to do? Double of 222, that is 4 4 4 and the balance. Again, it is a special number. 2 is going. 2 means matching properly. 4 4 4 2 into 2. 8 8 8 4 going properly. 8 8 8 4. So answer is 2. So answer is 2 2 2 2. 2222. Hope it is clear. So if it is a small number, a big number, our procedure is exactly same. Now let me discuss decimal numbers. How to find the square root of decimal numbers. Let this be the number 268.96. It is a decimal number, and I already explained in the beginning how to do the grouping. Grouping will be starting from decimal point towards right also, towards left also. Towards right means the decimal area. Towards right means whole number part. So that means unit place. One sentence together. So that process is the same, and towards right side also. So the numbers will be grouping will be like this: 268.96. Towards right from the decimal point 1 group, towards left 1 group, and 2 alone 1 group. Okay, exactly same procedure what we studied, and this one exactly same. There is no problem with the decimal number. Okay, our procedure is same. Only thing is that grouping from decimal point towards left and towards right also. Okay, now procedure same. So first we will consider first group that is 2. What will go? 1 ones are 1. Balance 1. Bringing next group is 68. Double of 1 is 2 and dash. What will go? If I write 25 into 5, 125. If I write 26, 26 into 6, 156 going. 27 into 7 not going. 2 7s are 14. 7 sorry. 189 not going. So not going. So rough area. Okay. So 168 means surely 6 is going. 6 into 26 156. Balance 12. Okay. Now we have to bring the next group. Now next group means decimal area. So we can bring it, but at the same time we have to put the pointer. That is the only thing here for a decimal number. First thing is about grouping, and then second thing to remember is as soon as we start the decimal area, we have to put the pointer. Now all the other things are same. So next group is ready. 0016 is 001632. Put the dash. What to write here? 4 4s are 16. Maybe matching. We have to try. 324 into 4. Surely matching. 4 3s are 12. That is a technique. 12. So 4 is okay. 1 2 9 6. Perfectly all right. So if it is a decimal number, no issue at all. Ordinary numbers we studied means one method is studied means for big number or decimal number, whatever be the thing we can do. We can apply the method what we study. Another question. (16.81) grouping from decimal point towards right towards left. First group is 16. 4 4s are 16. Balance nothing. Bring the next group. That is decimal area. So putting the pointer. 81 is coming down. 004 is 8. You have to fill something. 1 into 81. 81. So answer is 4.1. Another number 0.008281. 0.008281. Before the decimal area nothing is here. First group 0 only, so answer will be 0. Now from first group nothing will come, so that is also 0. So first relevant group is 82. First group is 0, square root of 0 is 0 only. This is also 0 0 means 0 only will come. First relevant group is 82, which carries some value, that is 82. Now 82 means which is number? 9 9s are 81. So we can write 9. 9 9s are 81. Balance 1. 81 will come down. Double of 9. 18. With 18 what we can write? 1 we can write. 181. Hope it is clear. Simply we are writing 0 because first group is 0 point something 0. Next group is 0 0 only. So nothing is to do. We can simply put that one. That means 1 2 3 3 groups here. So here answer also will be having 3 digits. 0.091 091 3 digits here. Again we will take a big number. Question is 176.252176. 176.252176. Grouping from point 25 one group, 21 76. 76 1 L1 1 group. First group of 1. In 1, how many times which perpetual square will go? 1 ones are 1. Balance nothing. In next group of 76. Double of 1 is 2. With the 2, which number will go? 23 into 3. 23 into 3 is 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. 4 will not go, 2 4s are 8. In 80s it will go. So 69. 7. Now I have to bring that area. Next group means from decimal area. So put the pointer. 25. Double of 13. Put a dash. Which number? 262 into 2. 262 into 2. 263 into 3. 789. Okay. 789. So it is your duty to check whether 3 is going or not. 2 is going surely. Okay. So I am just showing you the procedure. So I am sure that 2 is the answer, but still I am showing. Okay. So to make sure, to ask you to do. Okay. Sometimes we do that. Sometimes we notice that some children simply write the answer. Okay. 2 is okay going. Now we have to make sure that 3 is not going. If 3 is going, that is answer. Okay, that's the thing. So 2 here. 2 into 262 already written. 524. 524 subtraction. $201. Next group will come down. That is 21. 21 is the next group. Double of this one. 264 and put a dash. Which number will go? Now we have to see which number will go. With the 264, which number we can write? It is only rough work, children. Okay. Simply we are trying 2, 6, 4, 6. 2, 6 are 12. 2, 6 are 12. Just trying like that only. 2, 6, 4, 6. 7 may be possible. 2, 6, 4, 7 and 7. One 8529. That is going. Next anyway we are sure 8 will not go because 2 8s are 16. 16 and this one because big number. 6 means not only 2 here, it is 2 6 4 is also there, so 8 will not go, but still you are supposed to check it. Okay, so I will write 7 here. 7 means 18529. Again one more group is there to come, so we have to continue. One 1592 and bring in the next group, that is 76. What to do now? Double of these. And put a dash. Now which number? Trial method again. Now space is less, so I am not writing all these. 6 will go. Okay. Yes, surely this number will be difficult one. It will take a little time. Okay. So be patient. Do multiplication. It is trial method. It is only trial and error. We are trying with the 6. We are trying with the 7. We are trying with the 8. 8 is not going, so 7 is selected. So same thing we will continue. Even though it is a big number, now there is no space for me to show. And it is already many questions I explained, so you are knowing. You are supposed to write 2, 6, 5, 4, 6 with the 6, 7 with the 7 like that. So if I write 6, I will be getting 6 are 36. I am getting 1, 5, 9, 2, 7, 6 only. So it is last answer. 13.276 is the answer. Now I am going to explain third type of numbers. All the questions what we were doing till now, they were perfect squares. Without any balance, without any remainder, we got the square root. Now we will see another type of numbers. Find the following. Root of 5, but it will be written up to 2 decimal place. Find the root of 5 up to 2 decimal place. Why? Because it is not a perfect square. Answer of 5, square root of 5 answer means it will not finish after 2 place, after 3 place, after 4 place, it will not finish. All the questions which we did till now, there was an end. We stopped after 4 place, 2 place, 3 place. According to the question, we stopped because it finished division over. Because all these questions were perfect squares. Now we are seeing a number which is not a perfect square. So it will not end. That's why it is written up to 2 decimal place. Let me explain. So when we are writing, this is 5. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. Balance 1. Division is not over because balance is there. Reason is it is not a perfect square. So we can, like a ordinary division, like a 7 upon 2. 2 3s are 6, balance 1. Now what to do? Question is to divide 7 with 2. So we can continue. We know we will put the pointer, then 2 5s are 10. So answer is 3.5. We know how to proceed. After putting the pointer, we can proceed, bring the 0. We can give 1 1 0 after the decimal pointer. So same procedure, something like this. So 5 will be taken as 5.0000, 2 decimal place. So 2 group we will write. Suppose the question is 3 decimal place. Now one more group I will write 0 0 because 5 5.0, 5 5.0, 5.00, 5.0000, all these are same. I am not changing the question. Question is not changed, the question is same. 5 minus 5 only, 5 minus 5.0000. So 2 group is made because 2 decimal place. So continue with the normal one. What is the normal procedure? Bring the next group 0 0. Double of 2 is 4. Since decimal area is started, we will put the point also. We are bringing the group from the decimal area. What to do? Double of 2 4. What to write here? 42 into 2, 43 into 3. 2 will go. 42 into 2. Subtraction. 0 0. 22 double 44. Dash also. Which number will go? 4 4 5 into 5. 4 5 are 20. 20 is not there. 4 4 4 into 4. That is also not there because 4 4s are 16. And then balance of these things are also there. So surely 4 4 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 1 3 2 9. So which number is going? 3 is going. 2.23. Now we can subtract. Something will be there. If I need again more than 2, that means one more digit need remains 0 0. Next group I will bring down and then I will continue. But I need only 2. So 2 I got. So I am not even continuing. I am not even subtracting also. Leave it there. Work is over. .5 up to 2 decimal place. 3.5. up to 2 decimal place. How to take? 3.5 up to 2 decimal place. First group is first grouping. 3 1 group. 5 is not a group. I can fill it as a 50. First group. Another group is needed because 2 decimal place. 3.5000. Okay. Now 3 means 1 ones are 1, balance 2, bringing the decimal area. So putting the pointer, 1 is 2, filling with something. 8 will go. 28 into 8, 224. Subtraction. Bringing next group. 36 and double. Which number will go? 367 into 7. It will go. That is 2569. 8 will not go. So I wrote 7. Subtraction and we can proceed. But it is not necessary because up to 2 place already we finished. So answer is 1.87. Here what was answer? 2.23. Now one more question I want to show. Here it will be written another style. Square root of 10 correct up to 2 decimal place. What is the meaning of correct up to decimal place? Correct up to 2 decimal place and up to 2 decimal place. Any difference? There is some difference. First is up to 2 decimal place. Up to 2 decimal place means we need only 2. But here they are saying something special. We have to do correct up to it. I will explain with the sum. 10. First group is 10. 1 decimal group. One more. I will go for 3. Because I need 3 decimal place. 3 decimal place I have to get and then I have to do correct up to 2 decimal place. That means rounding I have to do. Rounding we studied in lower class. So let us do 3 3s are 9, balance 1. Bring in the next group, decimal area 0 0, double of 3 6. With the 6 what will go? 61 into 1. 61 into 1 is 61. Subtraction. Bring in the next group, double of 61 is double of 31 is 62 and dash. 6 2 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 26 6 7 will not go. So because it is already very near to this. With one number, lot of difference is 31 is becoming 37. So I will write a 6 3 7 5 6. Taking the next group, double of this. Bring a dash. Which number? This is 14 and it is a 6 2. Try with the 2. 6 3 2 2 into 2. 1 2. 3 means 3 6 are 18. 18 is not there. I have only 14 here. So 3 will not go. 2 will go. But it is enough. So square root of 10 is the same as 3.162. That is up to 3 decimal place. Up to 3 decimal place means this answer. But the question is correct up to 2 decimal place. That means I have to do the rounding. Rounding off. Rounding we studied in lower class. I need up to 2 decimal place, and rounding means I have to check the last digit. Last digit is 2. If it is 0 1 2 3 4 5. 5 less than 5 means 5 or more than 5 means it will be increased. If it is less than 5, leave it simply. That is a technique, that is a rule. If it is 5, more than 5 means we will make it as 7. But here it is only 2. So leave it like that. So we will Write the answer 3.16. Rounding is done. Rounding off to 1000, rounding to 10,000, etc. We studied. If it is 347, if the question is to round off to tens place, we will write it as 350. 350. Why? Because rounded to tens place. Ones place is not important. So this is 7. I am going to make it a 0. 340. In 40s I need. That means in tens I need. So 7 I am leaving and I am making it a 5. This is not important. That much accuracy is not needed. So I will write it as 350. 4 is changed to 50 because it is 5 more than 5. Something like when we say the distance of your house from the school. Okay, if I ask how far your house, then you will say 12 kilometer, because I need only that much accuracy, and you also know that I need only that much accuracy. You will say, sir, I have only I am staying nearby only 2 kilometer, but it may not be 2 kilometer. If we do correct calculation, we may be measurement means we may be getting it as a 2239 meter. Yeah, 2.239 kilometer. Who need that much accuracy? You know that I am simply asking. So approximately 2 kilometers or approximately 2 kilometers you will say. That is called a rounding. 12 kilometer. Another child is saying I am staying little far away, sir. Around 12 kilometer. Around 12 kilometer. But while going in the car, and we can see that odometer correct, you will get 12 kilometer and how much meter that will be there. But you will not say to me, because you know that I need only this much, so that much accuracy is needed. But when it is needed, okay, that much accuracy we will say. Square root is calculated means up to 3 place means very clearly I am saying get answer up to 3 place. But here it is written correct up to. The correct up to means you cannot stop with the 2. You have to do the correction. That means you have to do 3 place, then do the rounding. Okay. If the question is do correct up to 1 place, so you will do 2 place and then do the rounding. Okay. Thank you.